Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to this video. So in this tutorial we'll be doing an African hairstyle. Okay, if you're an African girl and you've not tried this hairstyle, hello, you're lagging behind. So first of all, I went ahead to section out this front, guys. Okay, and all you'll be needing for this hair is just your scissors, your comb, your gel, any type of gel, and your Brazilian or bobby wool. Okay, Brazilian or bobby wool, anyone you want, you can make use of it. And yeah, guys, I went ahead to map out this front as you can see it. And yeah, this is me trying to section out the front side. I used my hair wax to keep it in place. Guys, you can use gel in place of this hair wax or hair gel can actually do it. And what you see me doing is just trying to hold these other hairs down so it won't get on my way as I'm trying to make this part. So yeah, guys, I'm very sorry I didn't show you how I cut this Brazilian wool. Okay, I went ahead to cut it and the length is 21 inches. As you can see, though mine is short. Okay, you can actually make yours longer. So I went ahead to twist this one, guys. If you're twisting, don't twist to be tight. As you can see, mine is tight. It was actually dragging my skin and I won't like you to do that as well. So I went ahead to tie it down, guys. Tie it, don't make it to be so tight. Okay, so I still did the same thing to this second one. And for the third one, guys, this is where I'll be moving the first one. I'll join it to the third one. Just watch closely as I do it. And first of all, I went ahead to open the third one and I placed the first one inside and I tied. Okay, you can slow down this video, you can wind it down, you can do anything so you can see how I'm doing it. And if you're observant, you can see that I'm not twisting from the tip. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you guys what I meant. Don't forget, if you're tying, just make it loose. Okay, because you can still it can require you to make it longer to join with the other one. So I moved on to this fourth one, guys. What you're seeing me doing is applying the hair wax. After that, I still went ahead to brush it out with my comb and I joined it with the second one. Okay, this is what I'm doing. Don't forget, I still went ahead to open it and I joined it with the second one, guys. I joined it and I began to tie. You might be asking, how many strands did I use? Guys, I used 4 strands. Okay, you can use more than or you can use lesser. Okay, I used 4 strands. I only use 3 strands when I'm joining one to another. So yeah, we proceed for the fifth part. I still went ahead to join it with the third one, just as usual. Okay, applying my hair wax to lay my hair down, using my comb to go through it, and yeah, I'll open it and join it with the third one. Guys, as you can see, I'm moving it towards my face, like moving it forward. Guys, you can actually decide to move yours backwards, but because I have a very big forehead, as you can see, so I won't like my forehead to show. That's why I'm actually forwarding it. I don't know if you understand, like trying to bring it forward just as you can see it, not backwards. You can do yours backwards if you don't have a big forehead, but because I have forehead, yeah, that's why I'm bringing it forth. I don't know if I'm making sense, guys. So yeah, guys, so for the last one, guys, we went ahead to join it with the fourth one. This is me trying to see the hair and to feel myself. So yeah, I joined it with the fourth one, and after that, guys, just twist a little. Guys, when I mean a little, little goes a long way. Just twist a little and join it with the fifth one. And before you join to the fifth one, make sure that you twist them together. Okay, yeah, guys, this is what I'm trying to say. You twist it twice with the fifth one. Yeah, exactly as you're seeing it. And after that, I still went ahead to continue wrapping. Okay. I tied it and I moved to the back side. Guys, what you're seeing me do is trying to still use the same hair wax. Don't forget, I've said it before, you can use a hair gel, any hair gel of your choice. Okay, so yeah, I've done this first one off camera, and this is me trying to see do the same procedure. And yeah, the second one, this is where I'll be joining that sleeve out in front. Okay, I went ahead to join it and I twist. Guys, don't twist so tight, because if you twist it so tight, hello, you'll be having pains, guys, and I won't like you. Yeah, and I still moved to the third part. I did the same normal procedure. I moved the first one to the third one and I tied. Guys, I'm tying towards the left hand side. Okay, the reason is because I'm comfortable doing that. You can tie towards the right once you're comfortable doing that. And yeah, as you can see, it's big. I section it to be big. This is because I want it this way. You can still section yours to be small. Okay, it's up to you. I still move ahead to the fourth one. Don't forget, I joined the second one to the fourth one and I wrapped them together. With this African hairstyle, you can't go wrong. Guys, what I mean, you can't go wrong with this hairstyle. You can't go wrong with this hairstyle. Like, this hairstyle is giving. It's giving me the African vibe. Like, I'm an African girl. Hello. So yeah, this is me trying to join the third one. Is that the third one? I've actually lost count, guys. So yeah, I think that's the fourth one. I don't know. So I joined them together. Okay, with the other side, as you can see, we moved to the other parts. Okay, I joined them together and I still went ahead to wrap, guys. As you can see the way I'm wrapping it, guys, I gave space, like I give space with the bobby sorry, why am I always saying bobby, guys? Brazilian wool. This is not bobby pin, this is Brazilian wool. So I give space. I think I will show you guys where I actually give space, so you understand what I'm trying to say when I mean by giving space before you tie, before you start tying. Okay, sorry, before you start wrapping. What am I even saying? So yeah, we move to the second part of this roll. I'll be joining it with the fourth one, guys. I'll be joining the fourth one, that's the last one on the other row, so the second one on this other part. So I'll be leaving you guys to watch. I think I'm not talking too much, okay? So at this point, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you've not followed me, hello sis, hello boo, hello, what are you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe and follow button, like and share, guys. Like, comment down below, let me see how you see this African hairstyle, okay? You need to support your baby girl, okay? You need to support this girl, you need to support her. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit that follow button, guys. And yeah, gradually we are getting to the end of this video. Just as usual, I joined it, okay? I went ahead to wrap, guys. You need to wrap, okay? Yeah, so after that, oh guys, we went ahead to join the second to last one, okay? We'll be joining the second to last to the last one. As you can see me do, I went ahead to wrap them, just twist them a little bit and wrap. Yes guys, after wrapping, I went ahead to cut it off camera, and yeah, I joined it using a bobby pin, guys. You can use needle and thread to secure, but I went ahead to hold it down with a bobby pin, and this is the final process, guys, okay? Let me know down below in the comment section if you'll be rocking this African hairstyle. Let me know if you like it, okay? Share to your family and your loved ones, and don't forget to support your baby girl by subscribing, by hitting on that follow button, okay? This hair is giving as an African girl that I am. Africans, we are winning. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.